Hi everyone, here we've got REALME X3 SuperZoom, and let me show you how to show battery percentage on this device. So first of all, we have to find and open the settings. Then let's localize notification and status bar, so click here, and here we've got show battery percentage on status bar. Now as you can see, we've got only battery icon here, but you can choose from inside the battery icon or outside the battery icon. So first of all, let's choose inside the battery icon, and from now on in the battery icon you can see the exact percentage of the usage of the battery. Let's click here again and let's choose outside the battery icon, and from now on the left we've got the percentage of the usage of the battery. So that's all. This is how you show battery percentage in your REALME X3 SuperZoom. And if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.